In this tutorial we are going to be making this beautiful headband. This is the #1 style of this headband. These are the things needed for this tutorial. Your fur fabric. This is the fabric they use to make winter coats. Very lightweight. It's bulky. That is why I'm using this, to give it volume, to make the volume stand. Then I'm using this bracelet lock. Then I'm using this bag hardware. You know, these things I don't even buy them. I recycle them. Then my needle and thread. I've already threaded my needle because this will be sewed with hand. Then my elastic. Then my piece of leather. You see, I recycle this piece of leather. Let's go. Put this on top. You see, because I don't want it to be bulky. I will sew this in the edge like this. You see, the sewing doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's inside, okay? Then I will sew it like so. So after attaching this on top, if you don't want to sew this, you can gum it with hot gum, but I prefer sewing it. So I'll now sew this hardware to this leather. You see, I will hand sew this, so you know that you can do this even without a sewing machine. Then I will sew this one in this place. You see, this leather is too big for me. So to get my perfect measurements, I will take it this way like so. Okay, so this edge here. You see where my hand is here, in the down here. This is my perfect measurement. So I will add half an inch to it. Half inch. Not 1 inch or half inch. I will add to it. Then I will fold this like this. Then I'll put the fur inside. Fur, I don't know how to pronounce it. So I'll put it inside like this. And I will sew this place. I will do one side, then I will do the other side. It's just the same thing. So after sewing this place like this, I will take my leather piece and I'll put it inside here like so, the wrong side facing up. Then I will take my elastic, I'll put it inside like so. You see, shorter, because we have to take the measurement of the other side later. You should do this side shorter. Then we'll sew it together. Then I'll cut it and do this side the same way. After sewing this on both sides, I will turn it like so. see, I will turn it. See how neat it is in this side. I will turn it. You see how neat it is. I will now fold this this fabric and put it inside here, because this one I put inside is not full enough. You can skip this. You can just sew it like that without this. Then later you now put this inside, okay? Because I thought only this will be enough. It's not enough, so you can just skip this. Don't put this. You sew the full like that, then you now fold this like this and put it inside. You see, now put it inside like this. You see, you put it inside like this so that it will be thick. I'll now take my needle and thread and start to sew. And start to sew it like this. You pick it in the edge. You pick it in the edge. You see, start to sew it like this. So I'll just continue to sew to the end.